Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we got a new segment for you guys, man. I got a lot of sneakers in my own personal collection that I actually want to bring to the channel, so I had to figure that I had to come up with a new segment for the channel. This segment is going to be called Should These Shoes Be Retro? You know, if you feel like they should be retro, you can leave it in the comments below. You know, maybe we can bring some awareness to Nike or Adidas or whatever brand shoe that we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into the shoe, I'm going to need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to our channel. And also, be sure to follow us on our social media accounts at Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. Looking forward to connecting with you guys on those platforms. But enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Let's go. The Kashima Air Max 95s, man. These joints came out a very, very long time ago. Man, let's get into the shoe, man. Let's talk about it. As you can see, Tyler Gold going around the shoe. Tyler Gold on the inside has the beige netting going up. Has the beige here, beige shoestrings with the blue stripe. Here on the tongue, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Kashima on it. Blue swoosh here, fire. It says Kashima here also on the back. The hemming. On the inside, it says Nike Air. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's on a beige insole, yellow writing. Has the logo on the inside here on the tongue. See that? Also, it's one of my favorite shoes, man. This is a shoe every time I pull out, man. A lot of people give me a lot of looks like, oh, it's those. Like, get a lot of those going on, man. With these here, man, this is a different shoe. You know, Air Max 95s are one of Nike's top silhouettes, man. Everybody loves Air Max 95s, man. It's definitely a dope shoe, but this shoe here is something special, man. The shoe came out, I believe, in 2005, if I'm not mistaken. Had it for a very, very long time, man. This shoe is fresh. Got the sole, man. Got the blue sole. Got the gold hair. Like, I mean, the blue sole with the gold, yeah. You know, just a fire shoe, man. Like, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, man. Leave in the comments below, man. Do you guys feel like Nike should bring this shoe back, man? I feel like they should, man. Give a lot of the new sneaker collectors a chance to get, you know, ancient history like this, man. Me and my sneaker friends, we call this like walking ancient history, man. Currency, shout out to Currency, said that in one of his lyrics way back. Currency is also a big sneaker collector, so shout out to him, man. He got a lot of heat, but yeah, man, it's a very, very dope shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think, man. It has a 3M here on the tongue. That's 3M. It's a very, very dope shoe, man. This is fire, man. Love this shoe. I'm gonna wear it soon, man. Just got it, you know. Just picked it up recently from my storage spot where I keep my shoes, and I can't let y'all know where I keep those at, man, because y'all gonna run up in there. But just picked them up from the spot, so you know. It's a fire shoe, man. Summertime, so you know, I plan on bringing them out, man. But let me know in the comments below if you guys feel like this shoe should be retro. If you feel like if this shoe come out, would you buy this shoe? Or, you know, would you pass? You know, how you feel about it, man? Let me know, man. I think it's a very, very dope shoe, man. So if they retro it, I'm definitely gonna buy it again. I know they're gonna change a couple things on there because that's what Nike does. Every time they retro a shoe, they change something subtle on the shoe. So, you know. But I'm still gonna cop again if they come back out, man. I'm gonna just put these away forever because it's nothing like the original, man. Very, very dope shoes, man. If you guys like this segment, let me know. Leave in the comments below. I could do more. I could dig in the closet and get some gems out, man. And I could do some more, you know, should they retro these shoes, you know. Let me know, man. Leave in the comments below. I'm trying to grow this channel, you know. Help me out, man. Share this video, man. Pass this information on to your friends, man. This channel, we do a lot of different things on this channel. You know, we do sneaker reviews, we do music, we talk about music, we talk about sports on here, boxing, baseball, basketball, football. We talk about a lot of different things on this channel, man. You know, it's sort of like a one-stop shop, man. We do everything on the channel, so you guys don't have to go to different channels and check different things out, man. But you know, if you guys got any ideas and feel like we should be doing something different, let me know, man. Leave in the comments below. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.